Morning all. As you can see, Celica's up on the ramps. I have decided before its next MOT to replace this Backbox. This Backbox is only about 1.5 years old, but it's standard and it doesn't make any noise. So what I've done is I've bought this exhaust in this box. If I can open it, which is this. It's just a cheap Japspeed thing off eBay, but hopefully it will make a little bit more noise than that standard one. So that's my job for today. So I thought I might do a quick before so you can hear what it sounds like, and then we'll do an after when it's fitted. So first things first, got to get in with the old WD-40 on these. You're not going to be able to see, but these rubbers, so I can actually get the hangers off. And of course my little straw's falling off, so I'm going to have to stick that back on. Hopefully don't spray it all over the camera while I'm doing it. There we go. There's another one here. The other side. Oh, it's popped off again. Other side. And there's another one over. Where is it? Over there. Where are we? So hopefully that'll mean once I've unbolted it, it'll come straight off. So now, got to get the ratchet on there. I'm not sure what they are. I think the 14s, maybe 19s. But you know, we'll get the. You got to have a spanner on the other side, and obviously whatever you're using to undo on this side. One important task. Cup of tea. Can't beat a cup of tea first thing on a Sunday morning. So as it turns out, one of the bolts, oh sorry, one of the nuts is 14 mil. One of them's 17, and hopefully they'll come off. Got my impact gun if all else fails. So let's get to it. Yeah, right. Finally, friggin' hell. I was pain in the backside. Right. Now I don't have to get under the car because I can get to the other bolt from the other side. Which one's so fat? Right, gun does its job. These are off. Isn't even a spring on that side, unless it's bounced off somewhere. That was the inside bolt, but yeah, that's that one off, and I'll be able to reuse that, which is good. So keep that safe and do the other side. Second bolt complete. Now we're just going to get the exhaust off the hangers. Well, one's off. Decided to try and do this one next. Don't know if you can see. I'm going to take the actual, need the WD-40 again.
One eternity later.
Right, got a screwdriver in the rubber to try to pull it through. Oh man, I hate these things. It's over the ridge. That's it. Right, one left. we go. One Backbox. Still in good nick, so I'll keep a hold of it. Man, that last hanger was a bit of a pain in the backside, but she's off, so we can get the new one on. In fact, let's do an obligatory startup without the exhaust on. I'll cheer the neighbours up on a Sunday morning. Might just leave it like that. There she is. It's a lot lighter than the original one, but there we go. Right, so it's up on one hanger. Just this other one to put back on. Put it on here first, and then squidge it on, and then it just needs bolted up. I would have preferred another hanger, to be honest, but yeah, not to worry, I'm sure it'll work out. So it's on both hangers. I just need to stick the bolts in over there. Don't know if you can see there on the camera, but yeah, that's the next job. Get it bolted up and we should be good. Well, that's one in. Don't know if you can see. Obviously needs nipped up, but I've got to get the other side in, so get that done, and hopefully it'll hang a little bit better. We'll see. Right, both bolts are in, so now I'm just going to nip it up. Haha. Which side did I do the gun? That does not look like a 14 to me. Nope, that's the 14 on that side, which means I can't get the gun in. Arses. Where have I got the other side in? I could just change the bolt. What a pain in the bum. Right. Right, so the 14 is on the far side now. Get that nut on. Right. Where's my spanner? Sorry. Oops. Get on, you bugger. Right. Right, that's that one done. I'll get round the other side and do the other, and then we're done. Ah, that does hang a bit better now. Spot on. Get the other side done. Right, that's all nipped up. One thing I do need to do is get rid of that baffle. But let's fire it up, see what it sounds like with the baffle in, and then we'll do one with the baffle removed, and then we are done. So, baffle in. Well, I've fitted it again, and there's still a hell of a leak from the joint. So I'm going to try not having that gasket in place, because it's kind of preventing the two bits from fitting together as well as I'd like, to be honest. I might be able to just nip the two flanges up, but we'll see. It's a bit of a pain in the backside having to get underneath the car over and over and over again to test it, but it is what it is. We'll crack on and hopefully we'll be done soon. It's better when you remember the keys.